Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between dear and dear. It's very common for English language learners to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. First, let's discuss how to pronounce dear and dear. Both of these words have the same pronunciation. There is no difference between how we pronounce these words. Dear, spelled D-E-A-R, can be an adjective or a noun. As an adjective, dear means precious, liked, or loved. For example, Mary Sue is a dear friend of mine. Our friendship is very dear to me. Dear is also commonly used at the beginning of a letter or email to greet the person you are writing to. For example, Dear Mr. Thompson, Dear Papa and Grandma. As a noun, a dear means a loved one or a person who is kind or generous. For example, how was work, my dear? Thanks for washing the dishes, dear. You're such a dear for helping me paint the house. Deer, spelled D-E-E-R, is a noun. A deer is a large animal with 4 legs that eats grass and leaves. Deer is both a singular and a plural noun. For example, they saw 1 deer in the forest, or they saw 10 deer. There was a deer running through the meadow. Rudolph is Santa's favorite reindeer. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using dear and dear in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.